Everyone, welcome back to another review and another vlog. So today I'll be showing you guys I got a new phone, iPhone 15 Pro. So let's do it. So it includes 15 Pro in USB-C cable charge, power adapter, and headphones. It's sold separately. Hearing with 1G besides 1 billion bytes and 1 TB, 1 trillion bytes in headphones. Sold separately. Let's do it. iPhone 15 Pro. Now it has a C cable now. So let's open the box. Here's the iPhone itself. And here's the instructions. The Apple logo. Here's, you no longer need to physical SIM card. Activate your SIM during iPhone setup. You can activate during your eSIM during iPhone setup. New products. And number 2, here's the Apple sticker. And here's the iPhone instructions. So I got the C cable. Afterwards, I got the C cable. You can just connect this bow. That's just a C cable. These are the new ones. And you can connect that to the charger that charges your phone. So yeah, the C cable is this kind. Here's a C cable. C cable. The new cables are no longer the USB cables. They're no longer anymore because now everything gets changed. Same thing with the MacBook. They now have the C cables. They are the newer ones now. The newer ones. Then you connect that. Yeah. There we go. So here's a C cable. Here's my home screen. New home screen. New time. Face ID. And it has a new bar. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. And here's a home screen. Home screen. Here's the wallpaper. Here's the new bar it shows. The new bar. Here's the update software. Then here's the Face ID. Correct. Then 3 cameras it has. It is good for making the videos. Just like when you so here's the back of it. Oh hi, recording guys. So I'm going to the good camera view. It has clear camera with the new phone. It's good for making the video. It is good to make the phone review. It has better cameras, so you can move iPhone constantly when taking a camera. You can take, yeah, it is good to make the videos really good with 3 cameras with a lot of options of making the camera and taking the pictures. Really awesome and cool. So here's the 3 big cameras. It is good for videos and pictures and really cool. So yeah. So yeah, looks pretty cool in the iPhone 15 Pro itself. So yeah. So I'm going to put everything back in the box so it become nice and safe so I can use it later for my iPhone. So yeah. So here it is, y'all. The back, I got the blue kind, but it looks like black, but it's dark blue. Blue titanium. Well, just wanted to get a different color. Got something new. Got the blue kind. Got the blue. Really like it. Here's the front of it. Here's the black. The blue kind. Really cool, y'all. So yeah, so I'm going to put everything back so my shit can be fucking saved. And you don't need to take out SIM card. You can just activate your SIM during iPhone setup. You no longer need this physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. New products with Apple. Thank you, Apple. And Apple, way to go, Apple, with the USB cables. Yeah. Bow. Fuck that. Yeah, looks good. USB cables are dope. With my MacBook I showed you guys. Looks pretty dope. So yeah. Just like I showed you guys my MacBook. So my iPhone 15 Pro. So the MacBook was pretty dope. It's good for the MacBooks. I love MacBooks. And I'll be getting a PlayStation 5 gift for it. So we're in a review of iPhone 15 Pro. So please like the video and subscribe. Thank you all.